Kamakailan ay pumanaw ang national artist at superstar na si Nora Honor. Ayon na rin sa naging pahayag ni Ian De Leon, pumanaw ang kanyang ina dahil sa acute respiratory failure. Ayon kay Ian, technically and clinically speaking, the cause of death was acute respiratory failure. Ito ang kanyang naging pahayag sa interview with Maris Umali. Dagdag pa niya, aside from the state funeral that will be conducted on Tuesday, we've spoken kaming magkakapatid. We're asking any updates from the local government and so far, wala pa pong official kaming natatanggap from them. So if we do, we'll be sure to let you know. Sa puntong ito ay marami ang natuwa dahil talagang binibigyan ng galang at honor si Nora Honor. She was being operated on and after that, she had a hard time breathing and eventually all things went downhill from there and that's why they had to do another procedure after that. Matatandang pumanaw si Nora Honor noong Wednesday sa edad na 71 at kasalukuyang nakaburol sa Heritage Park sa Taguig. Nagkaroon ng public viewing ngayong Saturday and Sunday at ililibing naman siya sa April 22 sa libingan ng mga bayani. Marami rin ang natuwa dahil nagbigay din ng pahayag si Lotlot De Leon para sa kanyang ina. Ayon kay Lotlot, all her life she's devoted to the public, to her work, and so yun lang po. Yung kahapon, sabi naming magkakapatid, kahit ilang araw sa amin lang siya. We're very grateful to everyone for loving her, for honoring her, for the love. Actually, lahat po na nagpapadala ng condolences and their greetings, we really appreciate that. Sa kanila din po kami kumukuha ng lakas, kaming magkakapatid. A lot of people can testify on my mom's generosity, hindi lang sa craft niya, kundi sa lahat ng bagay. That's why she's really loved by plenty. Yung pagiging genuine niya and malambing niya sa lahat, the way she helps others also. Walang question yon. So I think each one who has also, known and been with my mom can testify to that. Maraming salamat, asking for everyone's prayer for us and for my mom. Sa puntong ito ay patuloy naman ang pagbisita ng mga kaibigan para makiramay sa pamilya ni Nora Honor.